Welcome everybody, VST here, Balance Tech. It's Friday, so I guess you're tired, I'm tired, but hey, final video for the week. I wanted to show you guys something interesting. In case you did not watch my yesterday's video, it was all about the insanely good Samsung Windows pop-ups. Now, for this video, I just want to do a very short recap on what exactly is a Samsung pop-up and then show you what I want to show you in this video, and that's using the glance function. Of course, you need to have a Note phone or at least an S Pen, etc. So maybe S2 and Ultra will still work, I'm not sure. So, you see here on the screen, guys, there is an icon. In 99%, when there is an icon, it looks like an icon, right? Probably it's an icon. Not in this case. In this 1%, guys, click, boom, you're gonna get here a very much like desktop experience using the YouTube. Of course, I can just move it around. I can, of course, decide to resize it. You know, I can also, of course, try to maximize it. And this is actually what I've shown yesterday in my video. This is the so-called Windows pop-up mode. You can enable this by using the labs function from the advanced features menu from the settings. You can check my video here. Once you're in the recents menu, you decide which apps you want to pop up, boom. And then this app is pop up. And then the funny thing, guys, something looks like an icon. In 99% it's an icon. Well, yeah, not in case you're using One UI. So when I click here, now I'm gonna get access to the application that I was using in a pop-up mode. Now, right now, I wanna focus your attention into the right corner of the screen because there is something that looks a bit offset. And you might wonder, what the heck is this? Well, let me show you. When I take my S Pen in the hand, and you can just see now the display registers my S Pen, I will now go to this section where I want you to focus your attention, and I'll hover with my S Pen. The moment I hover, boom, I get full access to my Chrome browser. The moment I remove it, yeah, I'm back to what I'm doing. One more time showing you guys, I want to browse something, because let's say I'm playing something on my phone and I want to read a walkthrough. I remove my S Pen, it's gone. One more time, I'm inside, I do my job with this, remove it, and then going back to the screen. So this is the glance option, and also the reason why I wanted to do this video, because this glance option is not very obvious. Now, when you take the S Pen in your hand, you're gonna get something here, and this is the so-called air menu. Also, guys, you can press here the action button, and you're gonna get access to the S Pen air action menu, air command menu, but I prefer to just use it always on. You can just go here to the settings and enable the air menu to be always visible. Okay, just click here the cogwheel, and then, guys, the air view on, and etc. Now, why is the glance option not so obvious? Because when you click here, usually you have other stuff around. And it's not so easy to remove those things, and a lot of users will just think that, you know, what you have on the screen is what you see, what you get. But let's say if I want to change something, guys, I just can hold here, right, and just drag it to the remove, and now I'm gonna open one slot, right? If I click then back, I'm gonna get access to all the other options that, of course, are not there. And this is the way you're able to get glance. Now, I'm gonna put the magnify option again, right? So I have magnify, and right now, guys, I have the glance option, right? And I wanna demonstrate how this works. So let's say I want to open YouTube, okay? I'm scrolling through my YouTube and etc. At some point, I decide to glance YouTube because I want to read something. So I'm watching a very interesting video, let's say about Gran Turismo 7. I want to see something else on Chrome. So I'm going to click here, guys, and I'm going to glance my YouTube client. So there are some options. They can either remain here or here, right? Only on the top corners or the bottom corners. You cannot just put it, let's say, here, okay? I always decide to put it there. Now, let's say I'm able to open Chrome, try to read something about Gran Turismo, right? And then when I'm back with my reading, you know what I can do, guys? I will just hover here, boom, getting access back to YouTube, to this video I'm watching, removing my S Pen, boom, access back on my desktop. So the glance option provides a very clever way for you to still keep doing your primary activity and always get a glance on the second thing that you have going on here. And guys, this is probably one of the 1000 reasons why I love the One UI. You know, it's just crazy the things you can do. So I can hover here, open the glance, remove it, go back to my desktop, click inside here, guys, and yeah, you know, just try to use the pop-up windows just like a normal desktop experience. And let's say by the time I'm done, you know, I can also try to close it if I want. And there are plenty of other things. Now I'm gonna show you guys something completely different and random that is not related to the video, but again, one of also the main reasons why we do love One UI. When I do like this, I'm gonna get access to my Edge panel, and this here is the custom setting of multi-window pop-ups that I've used on Telegram and Twitter. Clicking it, guys, see, boom. is gonna open me here my Telegram client and here my Twitter account. And when I go inside Glance, see what happens, guys. This is really insane. I have now my Telegram open in a split view. It's all functioning. I have here down below, my Twitter account, and still, I want to check something, let's say in YouTube or in Chrome. I can just very easily glance it, okay, and then it becomes active. The moment I remove my S Pen, boom. What can I tell you guys? If there are Oscars for best mobile operating system, with all the cons, with all the bad things, with all the startup, with all the lucks and etc., I think One UI is probably gonna win at least like the best supporting actor, if of course not the main actor. Guys, again, it's Friday, so I guess we're all tired. I really hope we're gonna have some nice party. Please, you and your family, stay safe, guys, okay? And if you have liked the video, don't forget to really like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and we're gonna meet one more time in one of my next videos. With that said, DST over and bye.